Hello students, welcome you all to my second lecture on the topic Rising Power of the Company. In this class, we will briefly discuss about the Carnatic Wars. The Carnatic Wars refers to a series of military conflict between the British East India Company and French East India Company. Three wars were fought between 1746 to 1763. The main causes of these wars was to establish superpower in India. The first Carnatic War took place in 1746 to 1748 when the British tried to capture Pondicherry. Dupleix, the Governor General of the French territories in India, fight back in 1746 and captured Madras, a British settlement. The British appealed for help to the Nawab of Carnatic. The Nawab sent his army to drive away the French from Madras. The French defeated the Nawab's army. In the meantime, the War of Succession in Europe came to an end in 1748. The French returned Madras to the British. Thus, the first round of war between the British and the French was over without any advantage to either. The Second Carnatic War fought between 1749 to 1755. A dispute arose between Chanda Sahib and Anwar Uddin. Both laid claim to the throne of Carnatic. Chanda Sahib approached help of Dupleix. On the other hand, Nawab Anwar Uddin approached the English for support. In this war, Anwar Uddin was slain. Slain means killed, and Chanda Sahib was crowned as Nawab of Carnatic. Finally, Robert Clive, the commander of the British troops, defeated the French and Chanda Sahib. The whole of Carnatic fell into the hand of the British government. By a treaty signed at Pondicherry in December 1754, the French and the British companies agreed not to interfere in the disputes of the native princes. Now we will discuss about the Third Carnatic War. The Third Carnatic War fought between 1757 to 1763. The Third Carnatic War occurred in 1757. Count Lally, the governor as well as commander of the French, wanted to oust the British from India. The British General Sir Eyre Coote finally defeated Lally in the battle fought at Wandiwaras in 1760. In Europe and India, the war between France and the British came to an end. The rise of British power in Bengal we will discuss in our next class. This is all about the Carnatic War. Dear students, today's class is over. Thank you for watching.